Hello everybody, this is just amazing. There is snow everywhere. It is falling quite intense, but now it's been a little bit decreasing the snowfall rates. About an hour ago it was really kicking in. This GoPro has a very wide angle, like very not detailed, so I don't know how this will do, but it should do fine. I mean, as you see, all the trees are covered in just snow. Every single branch, all of the electrical wires, the roofs, the cement has been relatively staying wet because of the warm temperatures, but when a heavier burst of snow comes along, it quickly covers up. The grass is pretty much covered. It's still sticking up, the grass. You can see it's not completely covered, but almost there, and it's supposed to still snow for 6 hours. So, I mean, it's probably gonna be about 3 to 4 inches of heavy, wet snow. Now I'm gonna stick my foot in here, and that's about how much snow has fallen. See, you take a step, everything comes right out. Right there, that's my foot. That's what my foot took out. Yeah, it really sticks to everything, the snow. Get over here, and you could see how much snow has fallen. About a good 1.5 inches already of snow. It's really wet snow, perfect for making snowballs. It clumps together so well. This is perfect for a snowball fight. Yeah, it's gonna snow for 6 more hours, so a couple of the counties next to us got a winter storm warning, got upgraded because there's already 8 inches on the ground. I don't think there will be that much snow here, but I'm expecting quite a lot of snow because it's nowhere near done. 6 more hours of snow, and Monday it's supposed to be actually 40 degrees. Tuesday, I think 35, but towards the end of the day it's going to be already in the 20s. During the night, a cold front will slam through, and any of the remaining snow that's wet will just freeze. It's going to be so cold Thursday morning. It's going to be only 17. So all this slush, you guys hear that? Yeah, that's all going to just freeze. It's going to be, oh my god. Hopefully some of this will melt in the warm days, in the next 2 days, but if not, then it will just be stuck with ice. Hello guys, I'm back, and it's 3:20 now. The snow is really starting to pick up in intensity, like wow, and the grass is all covered. We played in the snow. Here the snow keeps falling to the ground because the snow is literally attached to the tree because that's how sticky and wet it is. We just shoveled the driveway and it's already coming over with snow, getting wet again. We need to shovel again for sure. And there's officially around 3.5 inches of snow already on here. Yeah, so, and it keeps coming down fast. I mean, it's been snowing like this, moderate snow, for 1.5 hours now. So honestly, I was not expecting this much snow. I didn't know it would be this much snow. Alright guys, so this is the final part. It's already nighttime. It's past 7 o'clock, and this storm dumped way more snow than any other meteorologist predicted. Even I didn't predict this much snow. Honestly, it's half a foot, exactly half a foot, officially at O'Hare, which is Chicago official measuring site, where I live, and you can't really see because this light can't really show you guys, but I could see it because it's not as dark as the phone says on the camera. It shows if I do this, you can't even see anything. But there's snow, and it's up to about my shin if I step in. So I think you'll be able to see this. The official measurement of my backyard is dun 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 dun. You see, guys? 5 inches. Yeah, 5 inches. Some of it has melted from the bottom, so it's a little bit less in some areas, some more. But overall, this snowstorm was with almost no wind. almost no wind, and that's what allowed for, yeah, no way you can see that. The trees, everything stuck to everything, just everything coated in. I'll walk up to certain things and hopefully you'll see it. Dogwood completely coated. You know those type of snows that just everything, all the snow sticks to everything. Speaking of cold, Thursday we're supposed to be in the teens. So, but till then, tomorrow we're still gonna probably reach 40 degrees, which will melt some of this snow. I'll show you. This is how much it looks. Yeah, but that's pretty much it, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and stay safe out there.